This is the Gyrokey. It's a 3D printed tool handle that fits all standard 1/4-inch screwdriver bits. It's the perfect tool for hydrofoil assembly for all foiling water sports, but makes a great addition to any toolbox. Hello, my name is Jyri and I'm a maker. You can find my 3D printable designs on MyMinifactory. The link is in the description. All the Takuma Gyrokey screws have Torx 30 heads, so we're able to do the whole assembly and disassembly using a single Gyrokey Classic tool. If your foil has multiple different screw heads, you should also check out the Gyrokey Double-Decker. Soon after I got my Takuma foil, I noticed that the L-shaped tool that was provided with it was starting to rust a bit, and the Torx head wasn't the most snug fit either. I knew most tool handles would rust quickly and that I would have to replace the Torx head frequently, so I wanted a 3D printable design that would allow me to swap tool heads quickly. PLA plastic alone isn't strong enough to handle the required torque, so there are 3 screws that hold the tool bit tightly in the socket. This results in a triangular shape that spins really easily and also offers a great grip with just one or both hands. If your foil uses more than one screw head type, the double-decker version of the Gyrokey is even better. The double-decker takes 2 tool bits instead of just one, and you just flip it around to switch heads. I'm using one Gyrokey Double-Decker and one Classic to assemble my foil when I'm using the Project Cedar's carbon mast, which also uses 2 different Allen key sizes. The print time for the Gyrokey is about 2 hours. So even if you don't have a 3D printer of your own, you should be able to get one printed at a shared makerspace like the ones we have at public libraries here in Finland. For more detailed instructions on printing and assembly, please read the instructions on the product page. In addition to this short video introduction, I'm also releasing 2 videos that show the full assembly and disassembly of the Takuma Gyrokey with the original mast and the Project Cedar's mast and a custom fuselage. For more content on 3D printing useful items, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and goodbye.